stop scrolling. Seriously, give me the next 15 minutes, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you will have a clear business idea that you can actually start. Not next year, not when you have money, not when the time is right now, in 2026. I know that sounds like every other YouTube video you've seen, but here is the difference. I am not going to give you a list and say, good luck. I am going to break down each idea, tell you exactly how it works, how you make money from it, and what your first step should be. Because honestly, I was in the same position not too long ago, scrolling through videos, reading articles, feeling like everyone else was making money from AI, and I was just watching. And the one thing I wish someone had told me earlier is this: you do not need to be a tech genius to build a business with AI. You just need the right idea and the courage to start. So let us get into it. Idea number 1, AI agent development. Let me paint you a picture. There is a business owner somewhere in London. Could be a solicitor, could be an estate agent, could be a small e-commerce brand. Every single day, his team is spending hours doing the same repetitive tasks, answering the same customer questions, sending the same follow-up emails, copying data from one spreadsheet to another. He is paying people to do this. Good money every month. Now you walk in and say, I can build you an AI agent that does all of that automatically. No sick days, no salary, no mistakes at 4 in the afternoon when everyone is tired. What do you think he says? This is what AI agent development is. You are not building some complicated software from scratch. You are using existing platforms, tools like Claude, tools like Make or Zapier, and you are connecting them together to automate a business's workflow. The global AI agents market is expected to reach $182 billion by 2033. And right now, most small and medium businesses in the UK have no idea how to access this technology. That gap is your opportunity. How do you get started? Pick one industry. Let us say restaurants. Learn what tasks a restaurant owner hates doing. Could be responding to booking inquiries, could be managing supplier emails, could be sending review requests after a meal. Build a simple agent that handles just that one thing. Go to 5 restaurants, show them a demo, charge them a monthly retainer. You do not need a computer science degree. You need patience, curiosity, and the willingness to learn one tool at a time. Idea number 2. AI content agency. Every business in the UK knows they need content. They know they need to be on Instagram. They know they need emails going out. They know their website blog should be updated. They know all of this, but they do not do it because they are busy running the actual business. That is where you come in. An AI content agency is exactly what it sounds like. You use AI tools to produce content for businesses, blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, product descriptions, and you package it as a done-for-you service. Now, here's the thing a lot of people get wrong about this idea. They think it is just about using ChatGPT and copy-pasting. It is not. The businesses that pay good money want content that sounds like them. They want their brand voice. They want content that actually converts. Your job is to use AI as the engine, but add the human layer on top. You understand their industry, their tone, their audience. AI does the heavy lifting. You do the thinking. A single client in the UK for this kind of service can pay anywhere from £500 to £2,000 a month, depending on the volume of content. If you have 10 clients, you do the maths. Start by picking one niche: fitness coaches, law firms, local restaurants, property developers. Get really good at creating content for that one niche, then scale. Idea number 3, AI design service. I want you to think about how many businesses around you need visual content every single week. Every business needs a logo. Every business needs social media graphics. Every business needs thumbnails, banners, flyers, pitch decks. This stuff never stops being needed. Traditionally, you either hired a designer, expensive, slow, back and forth for weeks, or you used something like Canva and it looked like everyone else's work. Now, with AI image generation tools, the game has completely changed. Tools like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and others can produce stunning, professional visuals in minutes. And not just generic stuff. You can give it a brand style, a color palette, a tone, and it will match it every time. Here is the business model. You position yourself as a creative AI design studio. You offer brand packages, monthly social media graphic subscriptions, or one-off projects. this. You deliver fast, you deliver quality, and you charge less than a traditional agency while still making great margins because your production time is a fraction of what it used to be. The clients do not care whether you used AI or not. They care about the result. And if the result is brilliant, they will keep coming back. The UK has hundreds of thousands of small businesses that cannot afford a full-time designer or a big agency. You are the middle ground they have been looking for. Idea number 4, AI real estate solutions. The property market in the UK is massive. Everyone knows that. But here is something not everyone talks about. The amount of time wasted in property transactions because of outdated processes. Agents are still manually writing property descriptions. Landlords are still spending hours responding to tenant inquiries. Property managers are still trying to track maintenance requests on WhatsApp. This is where you build something genuinely valuable. You can create AI-powered tools specifically for the property sector. An AI that writes compelling property listings in seconds. A chatbot for landlords that answers tenant questions automatically. A system that predicts which areas are likely to see price growth based on transport links, planning permissions, and demographic shifts. You do not need to build everything from scratch. You can use no-code tools and existing AI platforms to create these solutions. The way you monetize this is either by selling direct to estate agencies and property management companies, or by building a subscription product that individual landlords pay for monthly. Think about it from a landlord's perspective. If your tool saves them 2 hours a week and helps them avoid 1 void month per year, they will pay you happily every single month. The property sector in the UK moves slowly when it comes to adopting technology. That is not a weakness in this opportunity. That is what makes it an opportunity. Idea number 5, AI career coaching platform. This one is close to my heart, and I think it is the most underrated idea on this list. Every year in the UK, hundreds of thousands of people are looking for new jobs, trying to change careers, trying to get into industries they have no contacts in. They need help with their CV. They need interview preparation. They need someone to tell them what skills to develop and which direction to go. A good career coach in the UK charges anywhere from £75 to £200 per hour. Most people cannot afford that, so they just figure it out on their own, and most of the time, they end up underselling themselves. Now imagine an AI-powered career coaching platform, available 24 hours a day, personalized to your industry, your experience level, your goals. It reviews your CV and tells you exactly what to improve. It runs mock interviews with you and gives you real feedback. It maps out a 90-day plan for your job search. This is not science fiction. The tools to build this exist right now. The market for AI career coaching is expected to reach $6.69 billion by the end of 2026 alone. And in the UK, where the job market is competitive and career anxiety is real, the demand is right there, waiting. You can start this as a simple subscription service. Build a basic version using existing AI tools, charge a low monthly fee, get your first 100 users, learn what they actually need, and iterate from there. The people who need this most are recent graduates, career changers, and immigrants trying to navigate a new job market. In the UK alone, that is millions of people. So those are 5 AI business ideas you can genuinely start in 2026. AI agents for businesses who want to automate their workflows. Content agencies for businesses who need a consistent online presence. Design services for the hundreds of thousands of small businesses who need professional visuals. Property solutions for one of the UK's biggest and slowest to adapt industries. And career coaching for the millions of people trying to figure out their next move. None of these require you to have a technical background. None of these require you to raise funding. What they all require is that you pick one, commit to learning it properly, and take that first steps. The people making money from AI right now are not necessarily the smartest people in the room. They are just the ones who started. They made mistakes, they figured things out, and they kept going. You can do the same. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and tell me which idea you are thinking about. I read every single one. And if you know someone who is looking to start something this year, share this with them. It might be exactly what they needed to hear.